Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Microsoft 365 Defender. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow these Microsoft Learning articles. And from here, we are going to learn how we can simply get or set up the Microsoft Defender. And basically, all you will be needing to do is to set up your Exchange Online Protection and configure the Defender for Office. And basically, you will need, or you can also learn about the security benefits provided by the Defender plan. So basically, let's just click on Preparations, and from here you will understand on what you will be needing to do. So let's just go to Next, and from here you will be able first to configure your policies, and basically you will need just to manage using Microsoft recommended presets policy. And basically, you will be needing just to go to the policies, and you can do it from, like, of course, your admin center. You will need just to go to the Microsoft Defender portal, and from there you will find preset security policies. Then you can choose like manage protection settings, and then you can apply all these policies for your domains, email address, and you can also add trusted email addresses and domains so they cannot be flagged as spam or like insecure, etc. And you will review your configuration, then you confirm. After that, you will be needing to manage using the configuration analyzer. You can start to your configuration analyzer in the Defender, and it will start analyzing all the configuration that you have set up. And you can also go through um, the custom policies in case you have them. And after that, you will go through the configuration. So you will turn on the audit login so you can have everything monitored, etc. You go to configure user reported message settings and tag priority account. And basically, you will just allow these or enable these features. And basically, that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.